Still doing this manually? Wasting hours on repetitive tasks is a thing of the past. Replying to every message, copy-pasting data, and forgetting follow-ups. That's 15 hours a week lost to manual admin work. Introducing N8N Plus AI Agents. Custom automation workflows connected to ChatGPT, Claude, and Google AI, done for you. A trigger fires, the AI agent reads and decides, then auto-routes everywhere, from Google Sheets to Slack and email simultaneously. Customer asks for help, and the AI replies instantly with accurate data. Your business stays responsive while you focus on growth. Go from 15 hours of manual work down to just 1. Built and tested by an automation specialist, not a template reseller. Choose your tier: basic for simple tasks, standard for multi-step AI integration, or premium for full documentation and support. Ready to get your time back? Let's build your automation today. Order now and start scaling.